Want to earn 500, 2,000 extra every month in Europe? I have the perfect opportunity for you. It's flexible, remote, and perfect for Europe.
Welcome to EuroAI Hustle, your source for AI and business insights. I'm excited to share tips and trends to help you grow. Let's dive into the future of innovation together. This channel is made for Europeans who want to stay ahead in AI and business. Whether you're in Berlin, London, Paris, or Amsterdam, we've got you covered. On this channel, you'll discover the best AI tools, smart side hustles, and proven ways to build passive income. Everything is broken down into clear step-by-step tutorials designed specifically for Europeans.
No experience needed. Work from home. Real results in Europe 2026.
Practical videos only. No fluff. If you want practical videos with real results, make sure to subscribe and turn on the bell.
EuroAI Hustle, AI Tools for European Income 2026.